Alright guys, we're going to try and pick this master lock here. See, one of these keys is the right one, and then the other one goes to another lock. No, not that one. There it is. And here is the bitting. So we gotta, let's see, okay. Bottom of the keyway tension, light tension for this lock. Try and keep it in frame. Go to the back, light tension. Just go to here, click. Okay, I overset one, so let's try this again. It's funny, when I'm pressing on this, it always tricks me into thinking it has spools, and I know it doesn't, but it just does, because whenever I press up, it wants to lift my tension wrench, and it always gets me tricked. So the life of a beginner, sometimes frustrating. No. There we go. Picked. Alright, master lock, and I don't know which one it is, but it says it's a 40 millimeter, and there's the keyway. It's ginormous. Look at that. So that's probably better. Master lock, and let me get the key. Yeah, so there it is. Thanks for watching, and stay legal and get picking. Thanks, guys.